This tram is no longer boarding. Driver, we are clear. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your arms, legs, and all personal belongings inside the tram at all times.
10-4. Hey, put your arm inside. What are you doing? What are you doing?
As we approach Tram Stop 2, please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop. At the stop, make sure that you have your phone, keys, and wallet. We'll be stopping at Tram Stop 1 after this.